Hi, welcome to today's video, where we will take a quick look at what happened in economics from the 1st of March. The growth in the EU area had declined at the end of 2018. The Manufacturing Purchasing Manager Index from the EU area was lower than what the market expected and indicate a lower economic activity in the future. At the last ECB meeting in January, the ECB had adjusted the assessment of the economic growth to a downside, and that there wouldn't be changes in the monetary policy until the ECB had updated the inflation and growth objectives. These updates will be announced on Thursday. Check the link in the video description for more details about the January's meeting. The first tranche of the second TLTROII loans will no longer be considered stable funding from June this year. Banks will need to refinance these loans directly from the financial market unless the ECB is offering new financing operations. The announcement about this situation will most likely be during this week. Also check the video description for more TLTROII details. The Manufacturing Purchasing Manager Index released from the Institute for Supply Management for February fell below market expectations. Personal consumption expenditures fell by 0.5% from November to December. Personal income for January was weak, but this was after a strong increase in December. Even with a tight labor market, the inflation hasn't increased, as the US core PCE price index, Fed's preferred measure of inflation, was unchanged at 1.9% in December. On Friday, there were news from the trade negotiation between the US and China. The two parties were close to an agreement, and that the tariffs on Chinese goods implemented last year will be removed, that China will be obliged to import more US goods, reduce the subsidiaries to state-owned companies, and change the current practice surrounding joint ventures between China and foreign companies. And that's it for today's video. Check the video description for more details. Thank you for watching.